Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of BlueWallet application. So the first thing to do is to open your BlueWallet app. Once you're inside the main homepage of BlueWallet, simply go ahead and tap on your specific wallet you would like to log out or sign out of. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your wallet. In order to sign out of BlueWallet, remember that there is no specific sign out or log out button within the application. So, in order to log out, you will need to delete your wallet. Before deleting your wallet, make sure that you've backed up your recovery phrases so that you can get back to your wallet. Simply tap on Export/Backup option from the display and simply write down the recovery phrases in a piece of paper in correct order. Once you've done your backup, you can easily delete your wallet without worries. Tap on the delete button at the bottom and tap on yes delete, but make sure that you have a hold of your secret recovery phrases. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out of your wallet. Now, if you ever want to get back into your wallet, you will then need to enter your secret recovery phrases so that you can restore your wallet back again. That is how you can easily sign out of BlueWallet within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.